Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about the Doordash Pizza Program. There are a lot of programs on Doordash that you could be a part of that actually make you some money, some that actually give you early access to scheduling, and some say they just give you more orders. The one we're going to be talking about today is the Doordash Pizza Program. This is one of the most lucrative and one of the best programs I've been a part of. With that said, I'm going to be talking about everything you must know about the Doordash Pizza Program, how it actually is for gig workers and the platform itself and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain and is never intended to be legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult with qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. I also want to be clear that it is one of the most lucrative programs for me, but everything that goes on with DoorDash is very market dependent. So what may be lucrative for me may not be lucrative for you. So with that said, let's get started. Unlock more ways to earn with pizza deliveries. Get priority access to more earning opportunities when you verify having a pizza bag. As a Dasher, we want to make the most of your earning time on the road as you provide great service. That's why we launched a program to enable priority access for pizza deliveries. When you verify that you dash with a pizza bag, you'll automatically get prioritized to receive pizza offers so you can increase your earnings potential and ratings as you deliver a 5-star order and hot pizza. Now, regardless of the political talk, this is actually a pretty solid program. Now, you could get a pizza bag in one of two ways. One, you can get a free pizza bag from any participating pizza places that actually have DoorDash bags available. Those are the thin ones that you can actually get from them. I don't know if they still do that. I know that they did do that for a long time, and you can get that for free. But honestly, a lot of these restaurants have a tendency to withhold those bags, and that they aren't really a fan of gig workers for a lot of different reasons. Or you could end up going to their website to actually get a pizza bag from them, or you could bring your own pizza bag, whatever that works for you. Either way, I will leave the Doordash pizza bag in the description. I think that if you just have their pizza bag, it'll speed up the overall process of you actually getting more orders on the platform. That's just a personal opinion. It's not guaranteed. That's what I believe. Why deliver pizza with DoorDash? Access more earning opportunities when you're open to pizza deliveries. Not only are you having more access to more pizza deliveries, those end up having better tippers, and that's really what matters here. Be eligible for pizza promos. We may run promotions that let you earn more when you do pizza deliveries. I have yet to see any pizza promos. I think that's just a bunch of nonsense, but whatever. We're here if you need support. Have questions, need help? Reach out to support anytime through the Dasher app. You can do that with any of the DoorDash programs. That's not a pizza program exclusive thing. What do you mean? Where can I get a pizza bag? Order a new pizza bag from the DoorDash store here for a fee. Now, I know a lot of people are gonna have a problem with the cost itself. Get over it. You're in business for yourself. You need to start acting like it. That means you invest in your own business. Or use your own. Already have a pizza bag? Feel free to use it. Just make sure it's insulated and a standard size, usually around 18 inches wide, 18 inches long, and 5 inches deep. And there is also going to be a form to where you can actually send the photo of your pizza bag into the description. Also, you can check out my other video on the equipment verification for not only the pizza program, but the large order program as well. I will leave that in the description. Feel free to check it out. I do have some side notes that I would like to go over very quickly. No rating requirements. I don't know if you noticed, when I went through everything, there was no requirements for ratings. You don't need to have 100 deliveries a month or anything like that. No, you just need the pizza bag. There is no excuse for you not to have a pizza bag. There's really no excuse for you not to have hot bags in general, especially if you're doing food delivery. But there is no reason that you should not have a pizza bag, since it's literally just sign up and hop on and make as much money as possible. I don't understand why more people don't do this. This is where some of the best orders are, between this and the large order program. No tip customers are still no tip customers. Like I said, this is one of the best programs on DoorDash because there's a lot more tippers. That doesn't necessarily mean there are not no tip customers. A customer who chooses not to tip in general is still not going to tip in general. It's just a fact. It's how all of these platforms work. You're gonna have cheapo customers that don't respect you, your time, or the amount of effort you put into the gigs. But like I said, there are a lot more tippers on DoorDash with pizza orders. But again, this is a market dependent thing. This is something that's going to be better in some markets and not so great in others. Just like every other program on DoorDash. Did I miss anything? Is there anything else about the DoorDash Pizza Program that I did not cover in this video? Let me know in the comments. Let's make sure that anybody who wants to hop on the DoorDash Pizza Program and to make it more money on the platform can, and has the understanding on how the platform works in general, and all of us can make the most amount of money in the least amount of time. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!